Imagine creating a YouTube channel today, and in just 2 months, it racks up more than 10 million views with only 22 videos. That's already over 35,000 subscribers. And the best part, there are only a few channels in this niche, which means it's still not saturated yet. All of this started on TikTok, where these types of videos absolutely blew up, pulling in millions of views in just a matter of days. Today, I'm revealing the entire blueprint for making a channel like this using completely free tools. Yes, you heard that right, completely free. But here's what makes this niche so special. It isn't just about fictional horror clips that people scroll past. These videos dive into real horror legends and true scary stories narrated in a way that grips attention from the very first second. The storytelling is so compelling that it keeps viewers hooked until the very end, which means better watch time, higher retention, and way more recommendations from YouTube's algorithm. Now, unlike most of the so-called gurus out there, I'm not keeping anything a secret, and I truly respect my viewers. Alright, step 1. Video analysis. First, go to YouTube and check for the most viral channels in your niche. Look for their most popular videos, the ones that are blowing up with millions of views. Now copy the link address of that viral video. Once you've got it, open the free prompt guide uploaded in the Telegram channel mentioned below. Inside that guide, you'll find the video analysis prompt. Next step, open ChatGPT, paste that prompt, and then drop your copied YouTube video link right there. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will now give you a fully optimized analysis of that particular niche, breaking down exactly what makes that video go viral and even the emotional triggers that keep viewers watching till the end. With that, your goldmine analysis is ready. From that analysis, we now move on to step 2, video creation. Here's where the magic happens. Inside ChatGPT, copy the prompt to. ChatGPT will instantly generate a fresh, original short idea that fits perfectly within your chosen niche. Don't stop there. Ask it to also generate a title for that short based on the script it's creating. Now that we've got our full script ready, it's time to bring it to life visually. You might have already heard about the virally growing Nano Banana model, the tool that transforms plain text into stunning AI visuals. Well, that's exactly what we're going to use next. So, here's what you do. Now head back to the prompt guide and copy the image creation prompt. Next, open up ChatGPT and paste that prompt right in, and watch as it generates a stunning scene-by-scene set of image prompts that we'll be using in our project. Once you've got those ready, head over to Google Studio. When you're in, you'll see an option called Try Nano Banana. Go ahead and click on that. Now, simply paste your Scene 1 prompt into the input box and hit run. Within just a few seconds, the AI will generate beautiful, ready-made images that look exactly how you imagined them. You'll be surprised how realistic and cinematic they turn out. Next, simply generate 10 images based on your script. These images will visually represent every key moment in your story or short. Here's a tip. Most people stop at 4 or 5 images, but that breaks the rhythm of your video. To keep your visuals smooth and your storytelling consistent, aim for 10 well-sequenced images. The main thing that experts won't tell you is this. When using other free AI tools, they often limit you after just a few generations. Nano Banana AI, on the other hand, gives you flexibility to maintain that rhythm and style throughout your entire short. Next one, the voice. Most of us struggle with this, but today I'll show you exactly how to create one yourself using ElevenLabs. Alright, first, open ElevenLabs and go to the option called Text-to-Speech. Here, you'll paste your YouTube script right inside the text box. Now, it's time to pick your voice style. Click on the little voice symbol, then choose Explore Voice Library. Inside the library, you'll see a ton of voice options. You can also click on More Voices to find even better ones. Here's what you do next. Set the language to English. Choose the accent as American. Then, go to Filters and select the gender you prefer, male or female. Once you explore, pick the voice that matches your channel's vibe. When you find the voice you love, click Apply. Now ElevenLabs will generate a preview of your script with that exact voice. Hit the play button to listen. If it sounds great, you're ready to go, and just click Download. Now we're moving into the most exciting part, combining all the elements to create a perfect final output. For editing, we'll be using CapCut. Once you're inside, start by importing all your created images, voiceovers, and background track. Place your voice clip on the timeline first, and number your images in order. Just like I did, this helps you understand the sequence scene by scene. Now adjust the images according to your script and voice. To bring life into the stills, we'll use keyframes for smooth motion. For example, in the first image, set the first keyframe to normal scale and the last keyframe to slightly zoomed in, around 110% scale. This creates a subtle zoom-in effect, making your video look dynamic and professional. For the second image, reverse the effect. Start zoomed in and zoom out slowly to 100%. This contrast keeps your visuals lively. For the third image, let's add a slide animation. Make it move gently from left to right. Add a keyframe at the beginning and another at the end of the clip and make sure they sync smoothly. Do this for all your images, adjusting motion and timing to perfectly fit your voiceover. Next, add your background music. Choose something soft, a light instrumental track with the volume lowered to around -20 decibels, so it supports the narration without overpowering it. Finally, for an extra professional touch, you can use captions. Captions not only improve understanding, but also boost viewer engagement and retention. And there you go. Your visuals, audio, and effects now blend perfectly, creating a smooth, cinematic flow. Alright, that's a wrap. I hope this tutorial gave you a clear idea on how to create these shorts and grow your channel fast. I've also broken down many of other tutorials on my channel, so go check them out. Until we meet again, keep building.